In section 5.5, I wanted to go over some instructions with you of how to use the calculator, because in 5.5 that's what you're going to be using. In section 5.5 homework, problem number 4, we have what we call 6 factorial, which in that case what it means is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. But on our calculator we have a factorial sign. So what I'm going to do is show you where this is located. So if I'm trying to work the problem 6 factorial on my calculator, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on. Let me clear this out. I'm going to type in the number first, then I'm going to push the math button. Notice at the top it says probability. I'm going to use my left arrow key and highlight PRB for probability. Notice number 4 is the factorial key. Number 3 is the combinations key, and number 2 is the permutations key. So we're going to do number 4, and then just push enter, and it'll give us our solution. So that's dealing with problems that are talking about finding factorials. Now we have some more problems in our homework. Let me find another one. We have what we call permutations, and there is a formula for this on your formula sheet, but you can use your calculator. Notice this is saying we have 8 choices, or 8 total that we can select, and out of those 8 we want to select 6, and we're trying to find out all the different ways that we can select those 6. In this case, order matters, and with permutations, order matters. With combinations, order does not matter. So we're going to go type this into the calculator, starting out with N, which is 8, and then we'll do permutations, and R, which is 6. So on the calculator, I'm going to put 8. I can find my mouse. Here we go. So I have 8. I'm going to push the math button, move back to permutations, which is number 2, probability, and then permutations, and then pick number 6 and push enter. This shows us all the different ways that we can select 6 out of 8. And this is where order matters. So you end up with a very large number, 20,160. So that's our permutations. Now, another problem we have in our homework is combinations, which, let me find one. Problem number 9, we have 40C2. What that means, we have 40 to select from. We have, we're going to select 2, but in this case, order does not matter. You'll see that we do not have as many to select from, or as many I'm trying to think of what you call it, values as when we select these. So 40C2, we're going to type in 40. We're going to push the math button, move over to probability, pick number 3, and then it said select 2 out of those 40. So our R is that. So we end up with 780. So you're going to be using your calculator to do this section 5.5. Where we're working with these. So that's the part with the calculator, and then I'll try to make a short video of some of the other problems.